So today I'm super excited. I really want to talk to you guys about something amazing that I found out. I've been drinking this and it has been helping me. I have not been bloated and I can notice the radiance in my skin. So yes guys, I want me to showing you guys how I make my skin glowing tea for detoxification. It contains antioxidants and all of that, all the necessary natural ingredients or supplements that will help your skin glow from within. It will detoxify you, it will cleanse your system, it will make you bloated, and also help in weight loss. So guys, come with me as I show you how I make this drink. So if you want to know how I make my skin glowing tea and my skin glowing drink, watch this video to the end. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. God bless you as you do so. I love you all. Bye.
So for my skin glowing tea, I'll be using lemon, ginger, and turmeric. Lemon, as you all know, high in vitamin C, an antioxidant. It helps to reduce skin damage, premature aging, and also can help with weight loss. Turmeric has a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps with weight loss and also to detoxify your body. Ginger helps to reduce the signs of aging, flushes out toxins, even out your skin tone, promotes hair growth. I can go on and on about ginger. It's amazing. It helps with blood circulation and it also contains antioxidants. And you know, for your skin to glow, antioxidants are very, very important, most especially your vitamin C. So guys, I'm going to make my tea now. I'm done slicing my lemon. I'm going to peel off my ginger and my turmeric, and then I'm going to chop them up in bits, and then I'll boil them under low heat. The reason I'm boiling them under low heat is so that all the juice can come out, you know, gradually and soak into the water. I don't know how to explain this, guys, but just ensure that you boil under very low heat and let it gradually boil up. Okay, and this drink is amazing. You can have it once a week or twice a month. It rejuvenates your skin from within. It will cleanse out toxins and, you know, even out your skin, and you just have this natural glow. See the color. In fact, the smell, the aroma, it was amazing. They fill up the kitchen. In fact, I don't know, I'm so excited about this drink, guys. So excited. You can add honey to taste. It's your choice. And after having this drink, you feel so light. I like to have mine in the night. You can have yours in an empty stomach in the morning. It's amazing. It also helps with your weight loss. Turmeric is good for weight loss, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you're trying this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.